My name is Burakiana Anyele Anyete, a business information technology student at Palm University College and a content creator. My day starts with getting ready for lectures. Mornings on campus are calm, with students heading to class or grabbing breakfast. Lectures are interactive and engaging. We don't just listen, we participate and really understand what we are learning. In between classes, I create content. The campus environment makes it easy to stay inspired and creative. I also spend time with friends, which makes campus life fun and less stressful. Palm isn't just about academics. There are activities and spaces to relax, connect, and express yourself. What I enjoy most is the balance between school, creativity, and social life. That is my day in the life of a Palmer.